Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will present our project assessment of land suitability for determine the location of landfill on Batam Islam using the HRE GIS method. Next. This slide show the Menpro and Comenpro. Our Menpro is Insinyur Sudra Irawan, SPDSI, MSc, IPF, and the Comenpro Nur Israyani, STMT. Next. And this slide show the member of group. First, Syatria as a leader of the group, and the next.
Yazid Al-Ghifari.
Olivia.
Mi Muhammad Danananta.
Dina Hatira.
Iza Syokra.
Ini Aditya Marwa.
And the next slide will explain by Dina Alfia.
In this slide, I will explain this project aims to identify suitable location for a landfill on Batam Island using the IHP and GIS methods. The analysis was conducted based on several parameters, including road distance, residential area, water bodies, slope, elevation, soil type, and land cover. The final result is a land suitability map providing recommendation for alternative landfill sites that are safe and sustainable. The methodology, analytical hierarchy process for criterion rating, geographic information system for spatial analysis, buffering, and overlay.
The next slide we will explain by Yazid.
Okay. This slide is equipment used for software and hardware. For software, we use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Addis Pro. For hardware, we use laptop or computer.
The next slide we will explain by Gina.
This is the output project. The one presentation slides, presentation video, final report, poster, intellectual property right, document, PBL cover, and PBL product. Distance from map of the road network, distance from the temporary disposal sites, distance map from the airport, and map of distance from the residential area, map of distance from rivers and water bodies, slope map, elevation map, and cover map, soil erodibility map, and soil permeability map.
And the next slide we will explain by me. This is slide show the logbook, our progress project, and week 1 and week 2. We will present on revision our plan. And the next.
Kalian ini presentasi nganggap ada audiens atau enggak sih? Kok fokus sama itu aja? Kalian nganggap saya ada di sini atau enggak?
And week 3 we collect the data. And week 4 we processing the data. And week 5 week 4 we validation and checking data. And week 5 we processing the data. And the next week 6 we revision the map parameter. And week 7 we review the layout and preparing the final report and presentation. And the next this slide will be explained by Feby.
Movement of the level to work absolutely in bottom absolutely yellow in the cup help absolutely orange in the cup level absolutely red in the cup low help absolutely the black the cup is absolutely.
This slide be explained will explain by Giza. This slide show the design map to the temporary disposal site TPS in bottom design. The green area in the road location there are inefficient, yellow area are still legal, and red area in the location they are far from the TPS and less emission. The next slide will be explained by Dina.
This map shows the distance of various area from Hang Nadiem Airport. The red less than 3,000 is unsuitable because it could interfere with flights. Orange 3,001 to 6,000 and yellow 6,001 to 9,000 are fairly suitable, and light green more than 12,000 is the most suitable because it is the farthest from the airport.
And the next slide will be explained by Yazid.
Okay, on this slide, map of settlement possibility to landfill Batam Island. This map show the distance of the area from residential areas, where the dark purple under 500 meter is unstable because its could potentially disturb the community. Green 101 to 2000 meter is somewhat suitable, and blue 1001 to 3500 meter is more suitable because it's the further from residential areas.
Percepat aja ya.
The next slide will be explained by Adit.
And this map show a map of distance from rivers and water bodies. This map shows the distance of an area from rivers and water bodies. With the four classification, color of bright green, 501 to 1000, and the light blue from 1001 to 2000, and moderately subtle, and the dark blue from 2001 to 3000 is most suitable because the rank is lower.
The next slide will be explained by Yonan. Sorry, Gina.
Data volume slope map. This map shows the slope of the area with light green 0 until 5 degree most suitable because the land is flat and easy to develop. Yellow until orange 11 until 50 degree can still be considered, and red bone 21 degrees is suitable due to the risk of erosion and difficulty of development. Next.
And this slide we will explain.
These are the elevation map degrees of Batam Island with the scale of 1 to 110,000, with that shows the 2,000 meter above sea level. The incurred low plains habitats are suitable because they facilitate transportation, development, and waste management operation. And next are the land cover map of Batam Island with the scale of 1 to 110,000 scale. It shows the 6 reclassification, with the red area are built up area, and then the orange area are crop, and then the green area are forest, and the gray are open lands, and blue are water, and last are wetland, shows the brown color.
And this slide we will explain by
This shows soil variability map of bottom slide. The scale map 110,000. Classify legend blue water body, green very low.
Percepat aja.
Next, soil ability map of bottom slide. The map shows soil ability where green low is much to be suitable because in the result the risk of groundwater contaminant will orange moderate can still be considered with addition backward such as lectin and cumin.
On this slide, we will explain by
The total outcome or GIS and low level application Bapak analysis application for outgroup and outlet.
and this slide show the
Dipercepat aja
contribution
deh
of
sama ini.
or project. The next slide we will explain by Adit.
And this slide are the problem and solution project execution. The project start from collection data and processing data and then limited time to meet the clients.
On the next slide, we will explain by Giza.
Next work plan. The next plan is to complete pay calculation and CRSS, of overlay analysis, valid data validation, prepare to final report and project decision.